Hi, and welcome to this Cetopo tutorial on selection tools. In this video, we'll cover how to select a project area, sharing selections, and some other handy tips and tricks to help you get the most out of our powerful selection tools. Let's start with the basics. Once you've navigated to one of your active projects, which are defined by this yellow box, simply press P to select the whole area. This might well be the only selection tool you ever need, but if you want to get a bit more gritty with it, here are some examples of other selections you can do. First, cutting a hole. By clicking and dragging while holding Alt, you can remove part of a selection. Click and drag handles to edit the hole. By clicking here, you can also convert your hole into a dynamic selection, which allows you to control the tolerances of each part of the selection separately. Another tool we find is popular with our users is the Convert to a Circle tool. This tool creates a perfect circle around your original selection. Either click here or press Shift-R. Then pressing Shift-B or clicking here converts the shape to a rectangle. The last thing we'll look at today is making selections bigger or smaller. To add area to your selection, press and hold down Shift while dragging a corner of your selection. To make it smaller, press and hold down Alt and drag. Finally, to share your selection, click on the Share icon here to download a .json file you can share with your team. This is really just the beginning of what you can do with Cetopo selections. For a full list of tools and commands, click the link in the description, or just explore them in Cetopo yourself. Thanks for watching.